Welcome to the BlogVwant, a vlog for bloggers. The today topic is all about fixing the Jetpack Publicize not working issue. So does your Jetpack Publicize not working? Does it give any error? If yes, then continue watching this video. In this tutorial, I'm going to share 4 methods for fixing the Jetpack Publicize non-working issue. So without any delay, let's get started. If you don't know about what Jetpack and its Publicize feature is, I recommend first watch this separate tutorial where we explain how you can enable it on your WordPress website. So after I migrated my website to the new hosting server, I faced this error when I try to use Jetpack Publicize feature. I didn't know what this is, but fortunately, I have fixed this problem successfully. I am going to show you 4 methods, but you don't have to implement all of them, just start with one by one. I am sure one of the method will work for you. Well, Jetpack uses an XML-RPC.php file to connect to your social media accounts. If your XML-RPC file gets conflict, your Publicize will not function properly. So the first fix is to try using WordPress.com. In this method, you can use WordPress.com itself to connect or refresh your social media accounts. First, you have to navigate to this link, wordpress.com/sharing. Then, you need to log in and select your website name. After that, you will see social connections. So try to connect your social media accounts from here. Then check if your Jetpack Publicize feature is fixed or not. Remember, this method only works if your XML-RPC.php file is working properly. So try the next method if this fix does not work for you. Fix 2, solve plugin conflict. There is a higher chance that any of your plugins might be conflicting with your XML-RPC.php file. To check if it is true or not, open up the browser and open this link, yourwebsitename.com/xml-rpc.php. Make sure to replace your websitename.com with your website URL. When you open this link, it should be displayed only this one line. If you see anything extra, then it means your site plugins are interfering with the XML-RPC.php file. Now to solve this issue, you have to identify and disable that problematic plugin. To identify, you have 2 options. When you open the URL in the previous step, and if the plugin name is shown within this text, then you just need to disable it. But in a case that plugin name is not included, then you're required to disable all plugins first except Jetpack and test if the Jetpack Publicize is working or not. To disable all plugins at once, the process is very simple. Just navigate to the installed plugins page from the WordPress dashboard. Here, just select all plugins by tapping on this checkbox. Now find Jetpack here and make sure to uncheck it. Then select the deactivate option under the bulk action drop-down menu. And finally click on the apply button. See, all plugins except Jetpack has been deactivated. If Jetpack Publicize starts working after deactivating all the plugins, then congratulations, but the work is not done yet. You have to manually activate all plugins one by one and test Jetpack Publicize again and again. If, for example, the Publicize stops after activating the X plugin, then congratulations, you have identified the culprit. When it has been identified, just disable or remove it. Fix number 3, remove the security restriction of the server. Now there are chances that due to the security purpose, your website server has blocked access to the XML-RPC.php file. To confirm it, just open up the browser and enter this URL, yourwebsitename.com/xml-rpc.php/?for=jetpack. When you enter and it shows this message, then it means the server did not block it. But in case if something related to this security related message comes up, then yes, your hosting server has blocked the XML-RPC file. Suppose if your hosting server blocks access to the XML-RPC.php file, then you need to remove this security restriction. For this, you have required to enter some lines of code into the website configuration or .htaccess file. The .htaccess file can be accessed through cPanel. Before making any changes to this file, please back up the original file. Then open it and paste the below code at the end of the last line. After that, open this URL again in your browser. It should display this message. Otherwise, you must contact your hosting provider to disable security restrictions of your XML-RPC.php file. After removing security restrictions, you can use your Jetpack Publicize usually. The last fix is, check the Cron Job. If previous methods did not work for you, there is a chance that your server has disabled Cron Job. To confirm, you need to open up the wp-config.php file. Again, this file can be accessed through the cPanel. So open it and check if it has this mentioned line or not. If it has, then remove it immediately because this line had disabled your cron job. After enabling a cron job, your Jetpack Publicize might work. So these are all 4 methods to fix the Jetpack Publicize the non-working issue. If you're still facing the problem, then contact the Jetpack support team. So thanks for watching this tutorial. If you want more information, visit our website article. The link is mentioned in the description. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive regular tutorials updates.